Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. We have made it to Friday. Of course, I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I have several non-phone job leads in today's video. I know I was trying to do a non-phone job lead video every single week because I know a lot of you don't want to do the on-the-phone customer service type jobs. And I've been a little slack the last few weeks. Life has kind of hit me hard, but we are back with non-phone job leads. One of these does not require any kind of college degree and is paying up to $126,000 for you just to review online content, making sure it's safe and flagging things that are inappropriate and unsafe. We're going to dive all in. The links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below this video. Those links will take you to a page on my website that describes the whole job. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, there's a big apply now green link button. Click that to get your application in. I do just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family. Share all the good things so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But first up, we have the company Trader Interactive. Now, Trader Interactive has 105 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. I hope you can see this. The text is on their website is a little funky. It's running basically off my screen, but they are hiring a data entry specialist. Now, Trader Interactive, think like Auto Trader and things like that. They're not associated with Auto Trader, I don't think, but they're in the same kind of industry. They deal with things like RVs and ATVs and snowmobiles. And so they are looking for somebody to research and code data into their systems for marine, power sports, trailer manufactured housing, and their RV industries. You're going to enter this data and information into their databases and internal system. So you'll be gathering, managing, establishing, analyzing, and recording all of this information from the different documents and records into their data management system. Once you've done that, you're going to review the data to make sure it's complete, accurate, and consistent in accordance with their policies and procedures. Entering just all of this quickly and accurately, making any corrections to the data that you need to if there's spelling and grammar errors. So this is going to require a great attention to detail. You may have to troubleshoot or hunt down, problem solve data issues if there's missing data or information. So you'll act as a liaison, a go-between for the support team, and you share any important feedback to your supervisor. So just a lot of entering data, typing data. The only requirements are that you have 2 years of experience in data entry and prior experience in coding. They will take medical coding, even though this is not a medical position. That is all that's actually required. No college degree. They do prefer somebody, though, that is skilled in Microsoft Office using Excel or like Google Suites. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. Pay is always dependent on things like experience and location and will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. But besides 100% remote work, they offer paid time off, 401k, medical, dental, vision benefits, just all the things. Moving on along, I have shared this company before on this channel. The company is Juristat. Now, they have developed a suite of analytical tools specifically geared towards lawyers to help lawyers run all kind of a calculated risk and find out their chances of really winning a case before they take on a client case and before they go into court so that they don't look all crazy. Juristat only has 9 reviews on Glassdoor, so always do your own research on any company before giving them your information. However, they do have a 4.1 out of 5 star rating. They are looking for a data entry data analyst. This is going to be limited to certain states, but it is an entry level position. Now, those states are going to be Texas, Colorado, Missouri, Virginia, Maryland, and Illinois. But if you do live in one of those states, this is 100% remote work from home entry level. You're going to be collecting and analyzing digital documents and related data, reviewing that data and documents for any error, entering and correcting any information as you enter it into the system, formatting that data from those source documents. And so you'll just become familiar with Juristat's tools and systems and then take documents and read the information off of it and type it into their computer system. So complete straight data entry. Because it is a entry-level position, they're paying $30,000 a year up to $35,000 a year. And they're really looking for somebody who can be organized, have great attention attention to detail, have a strong work ethic. Of course, you got to be trustworthy with the information that you're seeing. You've got to be a skilled typer and know how to use those Microsoft Office systems like Google Docs, things like that, but no college degree is needed. But moving right along, next up we have Discord. I know a lot of us have probably heard of Discord or might even use Discord. It's almost become kind of like another social media type app and website. It is basically a place where people of common interests can gather and have discussions. So maybe if you do photography as a hobby, you're in a photography Discord group where all the people in the group like to do photography as a hobby, so y'all can share different tips, tricks, things like that. It just brings common groups together. They have 221 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an exploitative content specialist. Now, if you're in or around San Francisco, they do have an office there. Otherwise, this is remote for the United States, and they don't state that they have any state restrictions. But they're basically looking for somebody to review the information being posted on the Discord servers in the Discord groups, making sure that you review it and report any exploitative content up to your supervisors, flagging any abuse so that it can be removed. They want to kind of keep Discord and the servers a positive experience for these communities that are trying to come together. So they're trying to keep people safe and positive. So they're looking for somebody to view and respond to sensitive content reports, including but not limited to the review of explicit images, videos, or other objective material being posted in Discord. So you'll need to be able to handle that mentally. You'll utilize deep subject matter expert and some quantitative methods to identify networks of harmful, violating behavior. You're going to work internally with different teams, including the policy and engineering teams, legal teams, things like that, just conducting in-depth investigations into these high harm behaviors and their actors, responding to users experience safety-related issues. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, and it is high paying. They're looking for somebody who does have 3 years of experience investigating or acting on digital crimes and internet-enabled abuse against children specifically, someone who has experience reporting high harm behaviors, someone who's experienced analyzing and mitigating high impact threats online, somebody who has the ability to create tailored solutions with a wide range of challenges. Now, they do also need you to have the ability to be flexible in the shifts that you're working. You might have to work overnight, early morning, or weekend shifts. Now, they don't require you to have any technical knowledge, but you do get bonus points if you know things like SQL, Python, things like that. But pay for this position is anywhere from $117,000 a year all the way up to $126,000 a year. And last but not least, it would not be me if I didn't throw a healthcare position in here. We have the company HarmonyCares. Now, HarmonyCares has 14 reviews on Glassdoor with a 2.8 out of 5 star rating. So they do have low reviews and a little bit of a lower rating. So please, again, do your own research. But they are looking for a clinical document specialist. It does say this position is remote. Now, HarmonyCares is a collection of different home-based primary care practices, and they're trying to coordinate high-quality care for patients inside of their home. So think like when hospice comes into your home for cancer patients, things like that. But they're basically looking for somebody to work with their providers and their doctors to make sure the patient's records, lab results, and diagnostic results are entered and updated accurately in the system to reflect all of their clinical findings. So you're going to review these medical record and reports, interpret and rename all of these clinical documents with standardized naming conventions so they get in the system correctly. You'll properly upload the documents into the electronic medical record system, archiving the medical records following all state and federal laws, prioritizing these medical records processing, just maintaining open lines of communication with all the doctors, making sure you get all the information needed and it gets correctly indexed into the patient's medical records. Now, again, no college degree is needed, just a high school diploma, and they do prefer somebody who has 6 months experience in like data entry or some kind of office support. Someone who knows, again, those Microsoft Office systems, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and you've got to be a multitasker with great time management skills. Unfortunately, Unfortunately, this one again did not list the pay that'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. I've seen that a lot of you are looking for some non-phone overnight positions. I am on the lookout, but don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.